Okay, next one.
Let's do hard. This is nothing.
Sorry, Toby Keith.
I don't know.
What's that?
Third day.
He'll put a boot in here. It's the American way. And Uncle Sam puts his name at the top of his list. And the statue of liberty started shaking in a fist. And he will fly. And it's gonna be hell. When you hear Mother Freedom start ringing up and the whole wide world is coming down on you.
Yeah.
All brought to you. What is it? Hold on. Check. Intergalactic, planetary, intergalactic, planetary, intergalactic. Okay, we got that one. Next. Yeah. Oh.
It's like an early 90s rap.
You stop it. Collaborate and listen. I said it with a brand new diction. Next. What's the deal with this one?
I feel nothing.
I don't know. It says chorus.
Here.
Chorus?
Chorus! That was it.
Okay.
Dayman! Oh, fighter of the night man! Oh, champion of the sun! Oh, master of karate and friendship for everyone! Dayman! Oh, fighter of the night!
You gotta do one part and I gotta do one.
Okay. I'll do the whole.
Okay. So we just start out kind of singing it.